Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. Well, today is our Zettelkasten day for the month of April, and in this, our compass, we'll give you a hint as to what we'll cover this week. Victoria, want to give us a start?
Absolutely. Welcome back, everyone. This is one of my favorite weeks because, well, they're all my favorite weeks, but this week this will be my favorite because we get to take a look at the process of how do you take the things that you create and get them over into your Zettelkasten for safekeeping. So when we get to the map tomorrow, I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can take some of those character cards that we've been working on and get them filed away, because you would be surprised. I get a lot of questions asking, well, now that I have them, where do I put them and how do they fit in? So that's the question that we're going to ask tomorrow, and hopefully give you some ideas for how you can sort those things in your own mind in a way that makes sense to you. So with that, I'll throw it back to Kathleen.
Okay, thank you, Victoria. I'm sure looking forward to that. Well, I'm taking a slightly different tack here because I'm teaching one character trait a month now in this phase. I'm going to be talking about where are you going to put collected ideas that you come up with as you're playing with these character traits in your mind. When you do these little test scenarios where you give the character trait to one character or another, where are you going to file those? And how are you going to gather them in a way that you don't lose ideas, so that as the months go by and you're building up a larger repertoire of these character traits, you can compare them and look at the little scenarios that you've captured for each. So I will go into a little more detail with that when we get back together tomorrow for the map session. So please be sure to join us tomorrow when we take it to the next level. Victoria, anything to add?
Nope, this will be fun. And this might answer a question that I've had for quite some time about character trait cards. So we'll see if you answer my question.
Okay, we'll find out then. All righty. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.